Hey guys, I bet you guys have already seen this cool text style made famous by Ali Abdaal. So today in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to make them using only Adobe Premiere Pro. So no fluff, let's just get right into it. I've already selected the video I want to edit, so now I'll just make the captions based on the transcribed content. I have selected the maximum character length as 30 and maximum duration as 2. Moving on, I have selected all my captions and now I'm gonna adjust their style in Essential Graphics. I'll be using the font Monstrat as used by Ali Abdaal. I'll go with the size of 55 as it looks pretty nice. Let's just turn off the shadow effect for a cleaner look. Now just change the font's color to grey. Align the text as you want it. Now we're gonna add a background following similar settings. Now wait, there is more to go. We're gonna select all the captions and gonna convert them into graphics, and we're gonna select all the text again and gonna duplicate them on the upper layer using the Alt key. Now we're just gonna change the color of the upper layer text as black. And then there's the magic. By simply going to the effects panel, search for the effect vibe. And drag it onto your text. Please stick around as I apply this effect on all of the text. And there you have it, the Ali Abdaal text style tutorial. If you found this helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more content. Till next time, take care.